So hello guys, welcome back with another video in Electronic Studio. So today in this video or in the series we are going to learn about the Cadence LE group capture software. So one by one we will learn in this playlist. So one by one all series, all the lecture will come one by one. So this is our working area where we have to design the component of the library, like component in the sense symbolic representation of the component. So here I'm going to use 3 pins. Okay, so like this we can design, guys. So in the our 7805 3 pins are there, as we knows. We will move this one here. We will go to here, pin place. So pin number 1, and okay, pin number will be the 1, and pin name will be the our V in. Just click on OK. Click first will be here, second will be here, third will be here. So now all pins are the same only. So what we have to do, you have to go to this right side, scroll down this one, go to the edit pins. In this window, just maximize this area. Yeah, second pin you have to check. You have to edit as a ground. Third one will be a V out. Okay, then apply. Okay. Now you can see here all pins are visible here. Okay, and value also you can give here, guys. Otherwise no need. Now you have to give a line of this one. So just outline of the components, because now we have designed only the pins. Now our outline of the components also we have to give. So go to this one. This is the to select this tool, line. Place on this properly. Place it here properly. Now exact circle is showing because our mouse cursor is on the grid. Just click it here only, like if you will drag here, so this cursor is not coming properly. Now it is coming properly. Click it here, click one, then again click second, and again click it here again, then again. Now it is done. So like in this way you can design your library. Now I am going to save as this one, and if you want to save as this one in the different location, so what you have to do, you have to right click on this library, save as, and okay, on the desktop in our project only we will create. This is our lecture 1 only. We will, okay, already it is saved in your library only, so no need to do again. Cancel it, this one. Now close it. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to add this custom made by our library. What we have made, that library we have to add here only, guys. So now what you have to do, you have to click on this add library, green symbol plus button, and you have to follow your directory where you have designed. So lecture 1, library 1 we have designed here. Now you can see 7805 it is showing here. Once you will click enter, now you can see here, guys, we have successfully designed the one library. By using this method you can design your library. And okay, so now what you have to do, like for example I have did some changes, like one of, for example, some register I am going to, I want to connect here. So I will just now I have turned on the fish eye view. This is a on grid will be visible here. Now I'm clicking the W, so now we can connect the wire also here. Okay, so like this you can edit your component one by one. And here in this window, guys, in case if you want to rename your page, if in your design your schematic is too much is long, and it is going the more to more pages, like page 1, page 2, page 3, like this, what you have to do, just click on this one, right click one, and go to the rename it, like, and based on your area of the block wise the schematics, you can rename it. Okay, so now one more thing, guys, I'm going to delete this one. In case if you have designed this wrong library, for example, I'm telling, you have designed, you forgot to this is a, you want to change this rename. So what you have to do, you have to go in your design only, wherever you have saved this library, just you have to click on this one, go to the edit, just double click on this one, 7805. So this your working window will open, where we have designed this one only already before. So now, like in case if you want to rename it this one, the pin number, like in small, like whatever based on your requirement, whatever you want to do the changes, like v out in the small form, just apply. Okay, now you can see here, now it is saved. Just right click on this one, click save. Control S. Now we have closed the window, but here still it is showing the same library. So I'm deleting from here also. Now I'm going to search this side, guys, this component. I'm going to search 7805. See, now it is, now error it is showing because we have added the library. So now catch we have to clear. So what it is showing, 7805 the from library, because the library part is never the part of the catch. So what you have to do in this case, you have to go here. Okay, so you have to go here, this design catch, and which one component is showing the error, this component you have to select. Just do the right click on this one and click on update catch. If you will do this one, okay, now it will show, I think. Again we will search here 7805. See, now you can see here, guys, you are able to do this one, like this way also you can edit your component, existing component. So like it is showing here in small form only. And a few more things also I want to explain you guys, what are the things are there. Like this is our wire is there. If you want to connect like this is our wire, and this is our the auto connect 2 points. If you want to connect that from the one way to 2 point, like single to multi, so like this also you can connect. This are the option are there. This all options I will show you in the future lectures one by one while designing the schematic. So in this lecture only I am going to I explained you about the software navigation, how does it working, what are the things are available in the software.
So that's all for today's video. Thanks for visit Electronics Studio. Before leaving, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.